see what I'm doing.
Or not.
I know you did.
You'll take off like you wouldn't believe it. It's gonna go. Marcy, didn't you tell him he's got a coat over there?
Huh?
Didn't you tell him he's got a coat for him?
Where's your marshmallow?
Roasting on that propane. I'll wait till the actual fire gets up.
There you go.
Don't breaking that one off right here.
There's a bag of kind of highlighter stuff on this side. Sorry?
It's a bag of what, like fire stuff?
Well, it's a feed bag with lots of fluids in it.
Oh, yeah, that's
It's around here.
Hey, they said there's a feed bag with lots of fluids in it over there.
Well, it's around this side.